Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a Ghibli style picture. And the best part, it's super easy and completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface, and if you don't already have Dreamface app, just head over to the Play Store and then download it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamfest comes with a free plan that you will get weekly credits plus some daily free generations. It's enough to try out filters and create cool results without spending anything. After logging in, you will land on the homepage like this, and then just tap on AI filter, and then on the trending sections, search for Ghibli filter. This one, just tap on it. This filter is the one we will use to turn a regular photo into a that beautiful dreamy Studio Ghibli look like this. Like this. Next, just pick a photo from your gallery. And then after you're done, select the photo, just tap on animate. Like this, as you can see, Dreamface just transform your photo into a Ghibli style artworks like this. And honestly, the result is super cute. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to turn your photo into a Ghibli style art for free using Dreamface. And okay, maybe that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.